Local news for Thursday the 14th of March. Buses will replace most trains this weekend on the Wairarapa line between Wellington and Masterton. It's important to note bus replacement services may be delayed, so they are advising passengers to allow extra time for travel. 41 teams have been confirmed for this weekend's Relay for Life. The event kicking off Saturday and running until 8 a.m. Sunday morning will see over 400 participants take part. The opening ceremony and lap of honour will start Relay 2019 at 3:45 Saturday afternoon. A couple from Pirinoa are nearly $21,000 better off after winning a nationwide money-back competition by purchasing a Suzuki vehicle. The South Wairarapa couple were over the moon, as was dealer principal Gary Allen of Eastwood Motor Group. And the season starts this weekend for the Wairarapa United women's football team. They've got a game against Wellington United over the hill in the Kelly Cup.